Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today, a very easy 2-ingredient dessert that is made in no time, requires no oven whatsoever. It's a chocolate banana mousse cake. Amazing, isn't it? So let me show you how I put it together. So we start by blending some bananas. Ripe bananas are the best, okay, because you need the consistency. You need the bananas to be firmer. So the extra ripe bananas, they're a little bit more soft or softer, and they're not gonna give the structure that the mousse needs, okay? Because the second layer, if you wet the second layer, it's going to be too heavy, so it's not gonna have structure. Does it make sense? Okay, so you get what I mean, right? And to that, we're going to add melted chocolate. Now we're going to grease a round mold, grease well, and we're going to pour the banana and chocolate that we just mixed. One thing you can do is to make it in a family size dish, like a dip dish, so then this way you can serve straight from the dish, or you can make it in the individual portions. I mean, it's up to you. So we're going to put this mixture that we just made, put it in the fridge because we want it to solidify, because it's in a creamy consistency. We need it to solidify, get harder, because now we're going to opt to the optional second step, which is, I mean, that way is already awesome, amazing, but I wanted to go to take it to a further level of chocolatiness. So we're going to make a ganache. Again, super simple. We're going to break some chocolates or use chocolate chips. Here I'm using 70% chocolate. Full fat coconut milk, and we're going to mix it up. No blending involved. And now that the cake mousse is firm enough, we're going to put it on top, all right? Now just put it in the fridge, wait for a couple of hours, and that's that. Oh my God. So good. Yes, all those noises I make, those are necessary. I love my job. Don't you guys love my job too? I must have a lot of chocolate in my teeth. I am not a fan of chocolate. I have been making a lot of desserts involving chocolate because I know it's a crowd pleaser. And I am always the weird one that don't like chocolate, but most people do. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to introduce more chocolate desserts to my channel. And then I started to appreciate, because like I said, and I said that many times, I only make recipes here that I absolutely love. Otherwise, I don't make it. So I have been trying chocolate recipes, and those are the ones that I'm like, Jesus Christ, on a motorbike. It's like, oh my God, and it's so simple. You see how excited I am because it's so good. It is so good. You can add some orange zests to it. Then you're gonna bring it to these sophisticated kind of a surprise taste to it, which is awesome. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites, as you know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to check the recipe in the description below, all right? And have a wonderful week. See you next time. Bye-bye.